Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do today's tasks. So after you logged into your online classroom and went to teacher messages, click on Friday, May 21st. First watch this video and then click on task 1. So this is a forum, as you can see by this image here. As you know, Monday is a statutory holiday. It's a long weekend and it's Victoria Day. So today you're going to learn about this holiday. What you need to do is to first watch this video. As you're watching the video, please make sure that you have a pencil and a piece of paper ready to take notes of the new words that you learn. And be ready to answer some questions about those new words on our next Zoom meeting. Then you scroll down and then read these 4 questions. You're going to answer these 4 questions in the forum. So what you need to do is to click here and then for the subject write somebody's post, like for example Jenny's post. And don't forget to read 3 other posts too and reply to them. Then you go back for task 2. Task 2 is an ESL library website. Now I have just sent for the new students a username and password to use this website. So to access the website, you have to go back to the main homepage of your online classroom and scroll down. Under Conversation Circle Zoom information, you will see ESL library. Click on the website here. Then enter your username and password. When you do so, you will see the lesson Victoria Day on your left-hand side. Pay attention to the due date, which is in 2 days, Sunday 9 p.m. Okay, now you see a couple of tasks that you need to do. The first 2 tasks are vocabulary matching. So click on the first one, read the instructions, click start. What you need to do is to match these words with their definitions. So for example, annually, which means every year, you have to click on annually and then click on every year and then they're matched. You do the same thing for the other words, and when you're finished, you click I'm finished. If you see that your score is less than 70%, please click try again to do the task again. Then go back, do the second vocabulary activity, and then there's a reading and listening activity. So you can read and about Victoria Day. It's an article and you can also listen to it, which is good for your pronunciation. Again, when you're finished, you click I'm finished, back to assignments, and then you have to answer the comprehension questions. You need to type the comprehension type your answers for each question. You can see there are 9 questions, so you have to go to the next ones, finish all. When you finish question 9, you click again here. Then you review your answers once more. If you want to change anything, you can before you submit. And finally, you hit submit answers. After the comprehension questions, there are again 2 vocabulary activity just to review, see how much you've learned. And finally, there's a listen and type. So what you need to do is that you listen and then you fill in the blanks.
Victoria Day. Victoria Day is a Canadian public holiday that celebrates Queen Victoria. The holiday takes place annually on the last Monday before May 25th. Queen Victoria's birthday.
You do the same for all the blanks and finally you hit submit. And that's all you need to do for today. Okay. Wish you all a great long weekend.